Good morning. I thought it would be fun this morning to take you on a tour of the Creative Company, the company that I started 30 years ago. Come on inside. So first of all, this is the lobby, and so if you come to Creative Company, you'll stop in here, you'll visit, you'll sit on the couch. This is my CFO's desk. She's been with me for 5 years, but she's only here on Tuesdays. So if you come on a Tuesday, you get to meet Laura Miazga. I'll give you a little tour around. This is Madison Lee. Madison is a public relations person here at the Creative Company. And Maddie, why don't you tell them a little bit about your background?
Sure. For the past 10 years, I was in television news as a producer, and I decided to make a shift into PR, so here I am.
So today we're getting ready for our Monday morning staff meeting, which starts as soon as I'm done with this video, actually. And that's what happens on Monday mornings. We go through every single account here at the Creative Company and talk about what needs to get done this week. Come on back here. This is intern land. Right now we don't have any interns, but we will again in the fall. And we're super close to the university, and so it's easy for them to come over here and to work and to learn as they grow. Come on back here. This is Craig Hadley. Craig is a web developer and lead generation specialist here at Creative Company, and he's been here for 4 years, I think, and just has done a tremendous job. All of our web code is done here in-house by Mr. Hadley. He also watches over all the accounts 24/7, 365, and he makes sure that clients are generating revenue from their work on the internet. Yeah, you're welcome. Whoops. Now we're going to go see Tracy. So Tracy's our art director and project manager here at Creative Company. She comes with an environmental design background as well, and so she helped design the sign, and we've got some other cool things that are going to be happening as you walk into Creative Company. I'll show you that in another video. And like all of us, she's pushing today. We've got a lot going on. And then this area right here is really just a library, a place to just hang out and work if you want. We've got these cool cans. So these are for shorter meetings at Creative Company. I'll show you the conference room in just a sec. Come on in here. This is my office, and I like a lot of activity. I like a lot of things kind of happening. So I have my books, I have my files, my water bottle. I actually usually keep 2 computers running, and just lots going on in this room all the time. More like it's a planning and strategy room, because that's one of the things that I do really well. All right, follow me out here. Take you to the conference room. So our staff meeting starts in just a few minutes, and we do these every Monday. I'll quick show you inside there. So this is our colorful conference room, and where all the big ideas happen. I just wanted to give you a tour today. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great Monday and a great rest of your week. Make it creative.